In this video, I'm going to walk through the free background remover that's inside of Image2Go. That's img2go.com. So on the main page, I'm going to click on this apps button right here. Now you're going to see a bunch of apps. I'm going to scroll on down. You'll see Upscale, Art Generator, Similar Image, blah, blah, blah. And what I'm looking for here is Remove Background. How cool is that? So I'm going to click Open App right here. Okay, and it's pretty easy. You're just going to click this blue Upload Your File button right here. Okay, and this is the image that I'm uploading. You'll see it on the bottom left. It's uploading. Takes just a few seconds. And as it's running, you can see there's these settings that you can do. There's generic 1, generic 2. You can try these out, humans, clothes. I just left it on generic 1 for this one. Now this is a cat and a race car. And then the function remove background, return mask alpha matting. I'm just leaving it on return background. So you can play around with it. And then here you can see there's one file ready. And I'm going to click the remove background now. So don't be alarmed when you see the upload. It just takes a couple seconds, but you still have to click this remove background now to actually remove the background. So that's what I'll do now. I'll click remove background now. And then you'll see it processing here. It'll take a little while to process, a few seconds. Okay, we can see it's done. We can see a little tiny thumbnail right there. And I can download this now. It's a PNG file, which is perfect because it has a transparent background. That's the whole point. So we're going to click this download button right here. All right, and here is the image. My computer shows a PNG with a transparent background as a black background. Yours might show a white background. Overall, it's removed the background pretty good, and it's kept the cat, and it knows the difference between the cat and the background. One little piece, if I'm being super picky, would be right here in the actual windshield. The windshield has a little piece of background, and we can see that it carried over, but that's pretty minor for a free tool. Now I did want to mention there is another free option for removing the background, but it's not AI generated. This is photop.com, which is an online free Photoshop clone. So what I can do here is go up here to view and zoom in, and I can try to fix that little piece right here. I could just remove it, for example. So what I'm going to do is click this little paintbrush right here on the left-hand side. This is the brush tool. I'm going to hold down my mouse and I'm going to scroll over to Magic Eraser or Eraser Tool, Background Eraser. I'm going to go to Eraser Tool. So now with the Eraser Tool, I can start erasing pieces of my image. I'm going to click Control Z or Control Z to undo that. So don't be afraid if you make a mistake, you can always undo it. And with the brush, I'm going to set the brush size, maybe a 30 is good. And then the hardness, I'm going to move it down to 0. So when you move the brush hardness down, the edges aren't so pronounced. So you can see there, as I'm erasing, it's soft on the edges. So I maybe don't want 0. Again, I'll do undo. I'll do a hardness of like 70%, for example. And now when I do the eraser, we can see I'm actually getting in there pretty good. I'm going to make the brush even smaller now. I'll bring it right down to about 5, and I can get right in there, and I can remove that little piece of windshield that I didn't like. So just like that, I can make that look pretty good. You can fine tweak it as needed. Here's another video where you can have some fun for free.